Hey everyone! Today I've got some exciting news about Samsung's latest venture into the world of wearable technology. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're going to want to hear about this. So, remember back in January and February when Samsung teased us with hints about their new Galaxy Ring? Well, the wait is almost over. The full launch is set for July 10th, and we're finally going to get all the details. But here's the juicy part. There's a new rumor going around about the price, and let's just say, it might be on the steep side. Now, we don't have all the specifics yet, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on if you're thinking about picking one up. Now, what makes this Galaxy Ring so special? Samsung is really pushing the health and fitness features with this one. Think of it as a supercharged fitness tracker that you can wear on your finger. They're likely targeting those who want more in-depth health tracking and analysis, similar to what you'd find with Oura, Fitbit, and Apple's wearable devices. There's even talk about an optional subscription service that could come with the Galaxy Ring. This would probably offer extra health tracking features and more detailed analysis, but again, we'll have to wait for the official announcement to get all the details. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The next model might actually come with a display. Can you imagine a ring with a screen? It's still early days, and patents don't always guarantee a final product, but it's exciting to think about what Samsung might be cooking up. Of course, the ultimate test for any device with a display is, well, whether or not it can run Doom. Just kidding. But it's an intriguing thought, right? So, there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is shaping up to be a fascinating addition to the wearable tech market. Keep your eyes peeled for the official launch on July 10th, and let's see what Samsung has in store for us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.